Welcome to this video on building your legacy blueprint. We will cover organizing your assets, documents, and family instructions to ensure a smooth transition for your loved ones. The purpose of legacy planning is to reduce stress during difficult times by ensuring all information is clearly documented. This structure offers financial and legal clarity and is a proactive gift to loved ones. Many families are logistically unprepared, with critical documents often scattered. Unexpected events create immediate urgency. Preparation reduces emotional and administrative stress by centralizing information. Families face challenges when bank accounts are difficult to locate, insurance policies are unknown, and asset records are missing. Lack of instructions leaves trustees and family members unsure of the next steps. The first 72 hours after a loss involve immediate funeral arrangements, obtaining death certificates, locating insurance policies, contacting financial institutions, and managing early legal responsibilities. Many assume assets automatically transfer, but probate court is a legal process where an executor is appointed to identify assets and pay debts. Trusts can help avoid probate, making planning essential for all income levels. The probate timeline can be extensive. It starts with a petition filed with the court, followed by the official appointment of an executor, and ultimately court approval for asset distribution, which can take 9 to 18 months or more. An organized legacy system prevents family confusion and improves response time with centralized information. It clarifies roles and responsibilities, coordinating financial and legal records for loved ones' confidence. The Legacy Blueprint Binder is a centralized system for essential information. It supports trust and estate planning documents, bringing financial and legal details together, and offers a practical roadmap for everyday households. The binder includes a comprehensive asset inventory, an important document checklist, emergency contacts, trustee and executor instructions, and burial, memorial, and personal wishes documentation. Organizing your legacy provides faster coordination during critical moments, reduces confusion, and minimizes administrative stress. It offers clear instructions for executors, protecting family finances and bringing peace of mind to loved ones. When families are unprepared, documents are scattered, accounts are difficult to locate, and emotional stress is compounded. Executors are forced into a discovery process, causing delays that affect financial stability. The organized legacy solution ensures everything is documented in one place, providing immediate clarity for family members. It enables faster communication with institutions, offering guidance and clarity instead of confusion. Your legacy is more than financial assets. It is a gift of organization to your family. Preparation reflects care and responsibility, and clarity is an act of love for your family's future. You can begin building your legacy blueprint with a digital or physical binder. Legacy Steward membership provides ongoing support, ensuring accessible planning for all families. Take the first step toward organization today. Preparation saves families months of confusion by organizing financial accounts and legal documents. Small steps today create lasting security, and organization protects loved ones during difficult times. Legacy planning is an ongoing act of care. Your legacy is the clarity you leave behind. For more information, visit www.kjpta.com or email contact@kjpta.com.